everyone, Joshua Myers here, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Texas Chainsaw Massacre Part 2. And yes, the Saw is family. I do apologize, folks. I've been kind of a little bit under the weather, so that's why my throat sounds like this. It's due to allergies, and also we kind of had a mold problem for a while at my place, so yeah, that might be also it. But I'm doing this for you guys. I'm doing this for you, so even though this kills my throat. So, anyway, a while back I saw the Texas Chainsaw Massacre Part 2 for the first time. I saw it with my buddy Josh, and I really liked it. I really did. So what's the story? That is a very good question. That is a very good question, because this movie is so batshit crazy, you know? Not like the original, no. Not like the original, no. At least the original had more of a flowing narrative, you know? Even though it had some crazy, insane stuff in it. This one, so Tobe Hooper here decided to go for a more comedic approach. Because apparently he thought the original Texas Chainsaw Massacre was purely comedy. Between you and me, I think he was going a little bit senile at the time. But the film starts off with these two guys who are driving really fast in their car, shooting signs and shooting all over the place. And when I saw that scene, I'm like, is all of Texas crazy? Like, seriously, it's all of Texas crazy, you know? So yeah, anyway, eventually, so you see, Leatherface's family drive after them, and Leatherface is there, so trying to attack them with his chainsaw. And there's also a radio station and radio host, I think her name's Stretch, ends up hearing the stuff live on their radio station. And the police just basically report it as, you know, like, basically, like, their deaths as, like, a car accident, like, flying over a bridge and that, so yeah, but one of the main sheriffs one of the main cops know it's not the case, you know,